On every Friday in our vlogs, we're going to talk something about the climate change, and this is for Friday for Future. So, on every Friday, I have decided that I will post something related to the climate change or the global climate change on every Friday. So, I'll post something or the other video which will be definitely informative for you. So, what exactly Greta Thunberg is trying to say with this climate change? Okay. In this, Greta Thunberg is trying to say that due to lots of pollution caused by various reasons or various factors, it stated that the global climatical changes will happen and it may cause a greater loss to mankind. So this is what the Greta Thunberg thinks that, and we are trying to adapt that. Okay, we are seeing that the climate changes are reflecting on a daily smaller basis. Okay, let us keep that apart. On this day, we are speaking as Friday for Future. This day, I am going to correlate two things. One is malaria, the other one is dengue. And then there was a study conducted by London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. It states that malaria and dengue will be affecting about 8 million people. I am just repeating again, 8 billion people are at a risk of getting malaria and dengue by 2080. Now, what will be the reason behind it? The reason behind it is the rise in temperature by 3.5 degrees Celsius. Now, you might be thinking, like, what will happen? What is the impact of this climate change of 3.5 degrees Celsius, which is going to happen during the course of 2080? The major impact what is going to happen with this rise in temperature is that there will be an increase in the expansion, or there is an increase in the transmission time of this malaria and dengue species. What is the reason why we are getting malaria? The Anopheles mosquitoes or the mosquito community. So this mosquito community, the spread or the transmission of the disease from one person to other, which is carrying by the vector called as mosquito, will be expanding. Like for the malaria, it is expanding by 1 month, and for dengue, it is for 4 months. Now, if you are just looking at the statistics, the number of deaths by malaria are something like 4 lakhs per year across the globe, and approximately 90% of the malaria cases which are happening across the globe are from Africa. And with respect to dengue, there are approximately 100 to 400 million cases across the globe, out of which 20,000 dengue deaths are reported across the globe. Now, we don't know how many number of deaths which aren't reported. Now, if the transmission rate or the duration of transmission increases by a month, we're gonna say that the infection caused by malaria or the dengue will be expanded by another month if it is malaria. Now, if it is for dengue, it is expanding by a large sector of 4 months, which is almost 33% of the year, of which of the 12 months what we have, 4 months will be occupied for a higher risk of dengue. In India, we educate for malaria and call June as anti-malarial month, and this is the month where we educate the people across India about malaria and its transmission. So let us prevent malaria and dengue by whatever the means we can. I request all the people across the globe to try to take the measures in preventing the mosquitoes by whatever the means. So let us prevent the mosquito-borne transmission by using mosquito nets, covering the skin by full sleeve clothing, using mosquito nets to the windows and onto the doors, using insect repellents, preventing mosquito breeding sites such as empty, clean or disposed container which is having water. So by this we are trying to decrease the transmission and the spread of malaria and dengue during these seasons. So I hope like everyone will be safe at their home. Apart from COVID, we are running with so many diseases in our society. So I request all the people to take care of yourself as well as your family members, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you guys. If you like my content, hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos, and we'll catch you in the next vlog. Thank you and good night.